This is John with WTI, and I've been looking for a while a good toothpaste that is gonna taste great and that is gonna do the work for me. So, for most of the times, I would like to have like a activated charcoal, and this Colgate toothpaste is just awesome with it. So, one of the things that I like the most from this guy here is how easy is the flavor. It's after that it gives you this refreshing feeling because besides having the charcoal that it's in the formula, it has this mint flavor that after it you're gonna feel like your breath is just fresh, and that actually gives you a good sense of self-esteem. You know, you can speak to other persons, other people, and you know that your breath is just working properly. No funky smells. It's just going to do his job, which actually is a great help for your teeth when it comes to whitening and when it comes to helping older stains from what coffee, wine, and other things. It lately has been a great help for me in trying to keep my teeth as clean and white as possible. So this is a great option. And this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.